My friend, what's the girlfriend? It's a mate of mine. She comes from Sheffield, yeah, and she's a good boxer, and she's really good boxer. She should turn pro, you know. And she said that she went to the school with her mate this morning to take the kids. She's got two young girls, yeah, about 12, 13, and she went there and there was about 4 or 5 guys outside, and she said they're definitely foreign nationals, something like that. She said because they didn't really speak English, but they was just standing outside the gate, and she went up to me. And she can never work for it, you know. She's not a fool, you know what I mean. And she's big. She's 6 foot and a bit. She weighs about 12 stone, and she's a really good boxer, yeah. And she's gone up to them and just wants to know why they're standing there, and they're giving it all the hanging treatment and all that. She said, "Do yourself a favour, just go, you know, go." And they're giving her a bit of grief for not, you know, and she just left it. Yeah, she left it, and she phoned me up, and I said, "No, leave it, leave it, leave it. Don't start throwing right-handers again." You know what I mean? I said because you just want to start turning pro, you know, and but the way you're going, don't start throwing right-handers at them people. I said they'll call the police. I said you'll lose your license. You know what I mean? But she always done it in North London, didn't she? She put someone on the arse in North London, and she can really have it, you know. And I said, look, you know, just leave it. I said, you want to get hold of some of the dads, get hold of some of the women there to get hold of their dads, and to come over, the kids' dads, and to come over and move these guys. You know what I mean? She said, well, you know, they don't come. There's all mums come, no dads. You know what I mean? She said it's funny out here. Most of the mums out here are just like one parent families and all that, you know. But and I said, well, you know, don't start throwing right-handers. You know what I mean? She will. I mean, she will do, and she's got a good combination. You know what I mean? I had her on the pads a long time ago, and she's got a good combination, mate. And you know what I mean? She's like right hand, right across, left hook, and uppercut. So she's really good. She's excellent, you know. And I said, look, just take it easy, yeah. She said, you know. I said, look, the best thing to do, really, in a way, is to phone the police. She said they've already phoned the police, and the police just don't come. You know, they just don't come. You know, they maybe drive by, but they don't come outside. They don't stand around watching what's going on. I said, well, look, love, you know, best thing to do is, you know, it's hard, but don't try to not get involved in it. They're not your kids, you know. She said, look, it's my mate's kids and I've got to do something about it. I said, listen, let me phone you later. Bang, bang, bang. Nice one. Good morning.